Hi everyone, it's Kat here with probably the easiest craft that we've ever done in the Grab and Go kits. So this month's craft is going to be CD art. So in your kit, you'll have an old CD that's painted black, and you'll also have a couple of these little skewer scratchy things. And basically all you do is you come up with a design that you want to put on your CD. And you can draw it in with pencil first if you want to, but you don't have to. And then you just use this little thing to like scrape off the paint to show the shiny part of the CD underneath. And that is essentially it. So I can just show you real quick the example that I made. And I used sort of for inspiration, you know the lady who does all those like floral coloring books, her name is Joanna Basford. So I just did some flowers like what she has in her coloring books. So that's my example, and I can link to some of her little drawing tutorials if you guys are interested to try that, or you can just come up with whatever you want to make. But this was really surprisingly like very relaxing and fun, so I hope you guys enjoy it.